be checking the rate time, rate time, rate time. I be checking the rate time, rate, saving money for a few things, a few things, a few things. I'm not broke, cause I be checking the rate time, rate, check. I be checking the rate time, rate, saving money for a few things. I mean, check out all my cool rings.
You ready, BC?
Looks like you really don't know how to manage your money. Going out all broke just like a hobo. So I'll show you the basics of simple interest. Price, rate, time. It's sublime, baby. We don't mind all the watching. Cause if they study close, real close, they might learn something. Rate times principle that about does it. Got your interest tonight. And as long as I follow my PRT, I'm gonna know what the interest be. The rate got fixed up to the nines. Let me show you a few things. Principle represents the price. Years in the bank equals the time. Rate's a percentage of that price. Let me show you a few things. Let me show you a few things. Let me show you a few things about interest. Principle times rate times time. Let me show you a few things. Let me show you a few things about interest. Stop. Let me get a good look at it. Multiply this by this, and then you'll have it. Rate so sick, making money like it's a habit. Price, rate, time, it's sublime. Don't forget to divide the rate by 100. In decimal form is how you need to form it. TI-84, plug it in, yeah, it's a classic. Got your interest tonight. And as long as I follow my PRT, I'm gonna know what the interest be. The rate got fixed up to the nines. Let me show you a few things. Principle represents the price. Years in the bank equals the time. Rate's a percentage of that price. Let me show you a few things. Let me show you a few things. Let me show you a few things about interest. Principle times rate times time. Let me show you a few things. Let me show you a few things about interest.
Get out your seat, bro.
CDs on the first row, some bonds on the second row, 7 G's for the two things, throwing that to the bottom row. Principal of C's is X, P for non-insured bonds is total minus X. Before we multiply all about, we need the times, the rates for time. 1 is the best, and years it's expressed. Distribute, don't forget, identity property makes no effect on the rest. These rates are not pleasing, they call it a math problem for a reason. All rates on the table, in decimal form too. The bottom multiplying stuff. Now we're on the final stretch, bud.
Set equations, add like terms, divide, find unknown. Look at these problems, they ain't no real trouble. You're gonna get good grades if you just follow these rules. Now stay, your mother's gonna love you. So your father get a hot cover couple. When it comes to interest, you have one. Now you know how to do this, son.
And as long as I follow my PRT, I'm gonna know what the interest be. The rate got fixed up to